We are in the fight for the soul of the African National Congress.
Umengameli weANC uthi angeke esatshiswe.
I will not be intimidated, nor distracted, nor bullied into submission. Now, for as long as I'm still privileged to be the President of the Republic, I will do my work.
Uthi angeke avumele ukuthi udaba lwepulazi iPhalaphala lumphazamise ekwenzeni umsebenzi wakhe. Umengameli weqembu elibusayo unxuse amalungu eSACP ukuthi ahlale eqhaphile njengoba labo abahlomula ngokuqhwaga amandla ombuso befuna ukuzenzela nje ezikhungweni zombuso.
Should view the orchestrated acts of public violence and the destruction of July 2021. This was a deliberate but unsuccessful effort to foment a popular insurrection against the democratic state and our constitutional order with the intention of shielding those responsible for wrongdoing from accountability. As this alliance, we need to understand that the onslaught on our democracy continues in several overt and covert forms, and we need to remain resolute in our determination to defeat each and every effort to derail the national democratic revolution.
Umengameli weANC uphinde wathi uya ngokushuba umbango wokulawula iqembu elibusayo.
We will never succumb to the manipulation and disinformation, to the abuse of office, to the undermining of democratic institutions, or to the threat of violence or insurrections. We are in the fight, comrades. We are in the fight for the soul of the African National Congress. And we will not back down for fighting to ensure that the ANC is revived. We are also in the fight for the survival of our democracy. We are in the fight for the survival of our way of life, our way of doing things.
Ramaphosa uthumele umlayezo kulabo abangaboni ngasolinye naye.
We will not submit and we will not relent, nor will we ever give in.
Ngingusamkele Maseko, izindaba zeSABC, ngibika ngiseBokburg.